Alright guys, I never unbox my stuff in the house. I always wait until we do like the actual install, but I've been waiting for these and I'm so excited for these, honestly. Taillights, in my opinion, are huge and they make the biggest difference in the rear end. So once again, shout out to Subie Speed, huge shout out to Subie Speed for the taillights. They gave me a discount code for you guys to use on their website, or FT Speed. If you guys have an FRS or 86, the code will be right here on the screen. Use Borges to save you guys 10% off their selected items on their website. I'm just so happy that we're gonna be able to throw these on the WRX. Yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and open up these taillights. Alright, I'll be so heartbroken if they came damaged. Oh my gosh, dude. I haven't even unwrapped them yet. They look good already. These right here are the OLM Evolution taillights, the clear lens with the black base and the white bar. So if you guys saw my F1 brake light install for the WRX, you guys saw that it had the little white LED bar around. Maybe you guys have been wondering why I chose that with the stock taillights, but I did keep into consideration the taillights I bought for the WRX, which are these OLM ones right here, to match that little fourth brake light that I got on the car. Once you guys see it on the car with the fourth brake light, you guys will know what I mean. Dude, this is so sick. Here are the new taillights. Wow, dude. These are so sick. These are way better in person too. Yeah, we're not gonna take off the plastic yet until we put it on the car probably. Take a look at the new taillights for the WRX. What do you guys think down in the comment section below? So they're very similar to the FRS ones, which I honestly love. I just love this whole theme like this, so we just had to do it for the WRX. Jeez, these are so mint. Huge thumbs up to the new taillights. Yeah guys, let's just get this going. As you guys just saw, we just got done with a little sesh in the garage. Been trying to get back up on my grind, trying to stay consistent with it because I've been slacking big time, but right now we're taking the FRS out of the garage so we can start working on the WRX over there. We got Danny over here with us to pull through with his V1 FRS. Honestly, his car makes me miss my Rocket Bunny V1 fenders so much. It's just so clean and simple. Huh? Bro, what happened? You got beat up? He had his teeth pulled out, so his mouth is all swollen. But yeah guys, another WRX video today. If you guys missed the videos, we did actually do a headlight modification a while back. Opened these headlights up, so these are actually the stock headlights. Opened these ones up, painted the housings black. We installed a little RGB C light under, completely transformed the front end, the headlights. Makes it look 100 times more aggressive. All that's missing really is the taillights. And the taillights, the stock taillights aren't bad, honestly. Replacing the whole thing just makes it 1,000 times better. So we're gonna go ahead and do that today. And I'm really, really excited to show you guys. Like I was saying with the brake light right here, has a little white LED strip. Now you guys can see the vision I'm going with. These kind of match the taillights that we just got. So once we throw the taillights on, it's gonna match so well. Bro, hold on. Bro, your face.
I didn't expect that.
Dude, your face like, oh.
That just scared me.
Now honestly, taillights are like one of the most easiest mods. all it is really is like taking this thing off, like 3 or 4 bolts depending on your car. So this install right here is probably gonna be like, I don't know, like a minute or 2. I get a lot of messages of you guys asking me like, how did I start working on my car? Like, how did I learn? And honestly, like, you just gotta do it. Watch a video or something, and just try it yourself, like with your friends or something. That's how I learned everything. We gotta take off this thing right here. I believe there's like 3 little pop clips. 1, 2, and then 3. Now we can start working on this thing right here. I'm just gonna take off a few clips. You're gonna take off everything, just so we can reach behind for the actual tail light. I like all my clips are missing. What the heck? Once we pull this thing back, actually the tail light right here, so we're just gonna unplug this right here. And why is this so hard to do with one hand? Right here is actually a whole bunch of wiring from my 4th brake light. That's why I made it look different. If you guys missed that video, be sure to check that out. Now there's 3 bolts right here, 1, 2, and then 3. So with the wrench, we'll go ahead and take this out, the 8mm. As you guys saw, we just took off the stock taillight. Like, that took literally like a minute. Bro, how sad if I just drop these. Here's a little side-by-side comparison of the stock one versus the OLM Evolution taillight. What do you guys think? Which one did you go for? Stock or the aftermarket one? So satisfying. Damn, dude, that's a big difference from stock. What do you guys think? OLM ones or the stock WRX ones? Dude, they make these ones look like trash. A little side-by-side comparison. Damn, dude, I love that. I'm already envisioning like what the rear end is gonna look like. I'm like so excited. Like, I don't want to tell you guys yet, but like with the whole vision that I'm planning to do, it's just gonna tie in like so good. Especially with, I'm not gonna say anything. I was gonna say the oh, I knew you were
dude,
dude, it's gonna look so sick. Imagine they don't work. Damn, those are sick. Bro, those look hard.
That's
I like it. You like it? Especially with the 4th brake light. Dude, that's freaking dope. Damn. Bro, those are sick. The sequential mode? Dude, they remind me of like the FRS taillights.
Wait, so what's this?
Honestly, I have no idea. Oh my, dude, they are. Yeah. Watch, you can see, you can leave it in reverse. Oh, these lights go hard. The 4th brake light. I know you can't. Yeah. You can't really see it on camera, but dude, that's sick. The cool thing is these have a switch on the back, just like the FRS. So if I switch it, I can turn off the sequential mode. Or if you want the sequential mode, you literally just hit the switch and it goes back. These lights look like 100 times better when they're on versus like the daytime, in my opinion. Bro, like look at the comparison.
Wait, come press the brake. I want to see the brake.
Better look of both the taillights on, trunk closed and everything. So good. Damn, dude. Looks way better with both of them on. What do you guys think? Now it's pretty much matching. We got the taillights, you know, blacked out-ish taillights alongside the headlights, which are blacked out. So it pretty much matches both the front and the rear. A little side profile. You see the headlights and tails. What do you guys think down in the comment section below? Like I said in the beginning, I feel like taillights make a big difference once you change them out. Really on any car. I remember doing this on the Mustang when I put the Euro tails on the Mustang. It made a day and night difference on the rear end. Yo, it's a Subie speed, You guys killed it on these taillights. I absolutely love them so much. If you guys want to set just like these, the ones that I put on the WRX, be sure to use my discount code BORGEOUS. It'll save you guys 10% off. That 10% off code works for subie speed or FT speed if you guys have like an FRS or 86. Since I got Daniel with me, we're actually gonna get some rollers of the WRX right now. First time I've seen the WRX being like kind of driven with all the mods on it, so it'll be super exciting with the new tails on. It's so quiet. Hey, it's slow, huh? It's slow, huh? It is. I told. Huh? I know, right? Danny was telling me the car is slow, which is so true. The WRX stock is so slow. It definitely needs like some bolt-ons or something because it just like dies after like 4,000 RPMs. So that's gonna conclude it for today's video on the install of the OLM Evolution taillights on the WRX. I hope you guys enjoyed the install just as much as I did. If you guys have been debating on getting some taillights for your car, not even specifically like a WRX or an FRS, like any car, highly recommend it. You guys are gonna love it. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for reaching this far in the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make it a good one today, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.